Creating secondary packaging is a very complex process, a process that we at Arkay pride ourselves in each day. Being one of the world's premier folding carton companies allows us the privilege of working with customers just like you. Our goal today is to give you an overview of what goes into making that unique product that represents the brand that your customers will love. All production jobs are planned and prepped in our Hoprich, New York office, then sent here to the Roanoke plant for our continued prepping and production. Once the information is received, a job bag jacket is created. This will contain all customer requirements and necessary materials related to each production step. Requirements such as color, size, and style, stamping, and etc. Here is the pre-press department. This is where the team is creating printing plates and side rails. This is done by using customer artwork in preparation for the next step, the board sheeting process. Raw material is received in through our Roanoke plant shipping and receiving area as either roll form or pre-sheeted stock. When in roll form, our sheeter machine is used to cut down the roll into a predetermined sheet size that helps to minimize the amount of board waste. Based on the board vendor, material stock, and/or quantity needed for a job, pre-sheeted stock could be used. The board manufacturer is notified if the board is received damaged or found to be non-compliant. The aerating department processes all pre-sheeted board stock. The aerating process is used in between every production process while it is in sheet form. Aerating is done to help minimize dust and paper fibers from contaminating the sheets during the different stages. Our printing can be requested to contain a front side and/or back side print that has up to 8 colors per pass. Multiple passes can be performed to add additional colors. Quality monitor checks are performed frequently throughout the run by both the press operators and manufacturing management. Each printing press is equipped with 2 coating units along with an inline cold foil as requested. Offset printing and flexograph printing can be also combined into one process. This can create a mixing and matching effect of such as pearlized tones, metallic printing, and a spot coating in a single pass. We offer a large range of decorative special effects. Here at our lamination press, we are able to provide sealing of the carton surface with a glossy or matte finish. It may also be used to create a transparent window with one continuous and uninterrupted surface. We have the capability of single-level or multi-level embossing to add dimensionality to the product. The raising, embossing, or the lowering, debossing of the printed surface provides a unique twist to our customer's package. The same machine can also add the application of stamping, which applies a high-quality, often metallic finish to an area of a carton, giving a holographic or pigmented effect. Frequent monitoring is done during each of these processes to ensure the highest quality product outcome. Here at the die cutting stage, our machines use powerful precision for cutting, stripping, and blanking full sheets into an individual cutout product. In addition to the frequent quality check performed by the operator and team, each machine is equipped with a barcode scanner that reads a unique job-specific printed barcode as an extra verification measure. To make the transition to the final finishing process flow smoothly, the separating team may need to break down the die cut loads into individual item skids. Hand stripping is completed if needed. For items such as insert cards that don't require gluing, this is the stage where those items get placed into finished case as a flat pack and receives the final QA inspection. Vision systems, sensor tag placement, turning module, and the auto case packer are just a few of the unique features you will find on our state-of-the-art gluer machines. Quality testing, including a barcode scanner verification, is performed by the operator and QA. Cartons receive a fan inspection before being placed into the machine feed. Another inspection is done at the final delivery section. The carton is now a finished product. Finished product is placed into corrugated boxes created based on size and style. Cases are labeled with specific job-related details. Cases are placed onto pallets with a maximum standard height of 52 inches. The QA team will complete their final quality certification. In the event there is a quality concern, the management becomes involved for the review and final disposition. The certified pallet is scanned into our Arkay management system for traceability. Corner boards are added for security and shrink wrap as it waits for final processing by the plant and warehouse shipping team for shipment to the customer.
Thank you for joining us today. We look forward to helping you provide the highest quality product for your consumers.